Hello everyone, if you can score 10 out of 35 this general knowledge quiz, you are genius. No cheating, no skipping. Let's start. Which Australian animal carries babies safely inside a special body pouch? Option A, kangaroo. Kangaroos carry their babies inside a warm body pouch called a marsupium. The baby stays protected there while growing safely. What organ pumps blood continuously throughout the human body every day? Option B, heart. The heart works like a strong pump inside our body. It pushes blood everywhere every second without ever stopping. Which blood cells help human bodies fight dangerous infections naturally every day? Option B, white cells. White blood cells are tiny body soldiers fighting dangerous germs and infections. They help keep humans healthy every single day. Which Australian city is famous for its beautiful opera house building? Option A, Sydney. Sydney is famous worldwide for its beautiful opera house near the harbour. Millions of tourists visit this amazing Australian landmark yearly. What system helps humans breathe oxygen and remove harmful carbon dioxide? Option B, respiratory system. The respiratory system helps humans breathe oxygen from the air. It also removes carbon dioxide waste from our bodies. Which part inside blood helps stop bleeding after accidental body injuries? Option B, platelets. Platelets help blood clot quickly whenever our skin gets injured. They stop too much bleeding and protect the body. Which continent contains the country Australia, surrounded mostly by large oceans? Option C, Australia. Australia is both a country and a continent surrounded mostly by oceans. It is famous for unique animals and landscapes. What muscle separates chest and stomach during human breathing movements naturally? Option A, diaphragm. The diaphragm is a strong muscle below the lungs helping breathing. It moves up and down whenever we inhale. Which human organ produces antibodies protecting bodies from harmful germs daily? Option A, spleen. The spleen helps the body fight harmful germs and infections naturally. It also filters old blood cells from circulation. Which Australian landmark is the world's largest coral reef ecosystem today? Option B, Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system. It contains colorful sea creatures and amazing underwater life. Which blood component carries oxygen from lungs toward body cells continuously? Option C, red cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to body tissues. Without oxygen, human organs cannot work properly. What is the main function of the human immune system naturally? Option C, fight diseases. The immune system protects humans from dangerous bacteria and viruses daily. It acts like a natural defense shield inside bodies. Which country shares no land borders because oceans surround it completely? Option B, Australia. Australia has no land borders because oceans surround the entire country. People travel there mostly by ships or airplanes. Which human organ cleans blood by removing waste and excess water? Option B, kidneys. Kidneys clean the blood by removing waste and extra water carefully. They help keep the body balanced and healthy. Which Australian bird cannot fly but runs extremely fast across lands? Option C, emu. Emus are giant Australian birds that cannot fly in the sky. They run very fast using their powerful long legs. Which gas enters lungs during breathing and supports human body survival? Option B, oxygen. Oxygen enters the lungs whenever humans breathe fresh air naturally. Body cells need oxygen to create energy and survive. Which blood vessel carries blood away from the human heart always? Option B, artery. Arteries carry blood away from the heart toward different body parts. Their thick walls handle strong blood pressure safely. Which defense cells attack viruses entering the human body through infections? Option B, white cells. White blood cells attack viruses trying to enter the human body. They help stop infections before people become seriously sick. Which Australian desert covers large dry areas inside Central Australia today? Option C, Great Victoria Desert. The Great Victoria Desert is Australia's largest desert with dry conditions. Very few people live in this harsh environment. Which body organ controls heartbeat and breathing during stressful emergency situations? Option A, brain. The brain controls heartbeat and breathing during dangerous emergency situations automatically. It sends signals quickly so the body reacts fast. Which blood type is called universal donor during emergency medical transfusions? PTIONB, O negative. O negative blood is called the universal donor during emergencies. Doctors can safely give it to many patients quickly. Which Australian state is famous for many beautiful beaches and surfing? Option B, Queensland. Queensland is famous for beautiful beaches, surfing, and warm sunny weather. Many tourists visit this Australian state for vacations yearly. Which tiny air sacs inside lungs exchange oxygen with blood continuously? Option A, alveoli. Alveoli are tiny air sacs inside the lungs exchanging oxygen with blood. They help humans breathe and stay alive properly. Which immune system organ located throat area helps trap dangerous germs? Option A, tonsils. Tonsils trap dangerous germs entering through the mouth and throat area. They help protect the body from infections naturally. Which line divides Earth equally into northern and southern hemispheres exactly? Option C, equator. The equator is an imaginary line around Earth's middle region exactly. It divides the planet into northern and southern hemispheres. Which chamber pumps oxygen-rich blood from heart toward entire body continuously? Option B, left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood throughout the entire human body. It is one of the heart's strongest chambers. Which Australian animal lays eggs despite belonging to mammal animal group? Option B, platypus. The platypus is a rare mammal that lays eggs instead of babies. It is one of Australia's strangest fascinating animals. Which body system transports nutrients and oxygen throughout human body continuously? Option B, circulatory system. The circulatory system moves oxygen and nutrients around the human body. Blood vessels and the heart work together continuously. Which ocean surrounds Australia and separates it from nearby Asian countries? Option C, Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean surrounds much of Australia's western and southern sides. It is one of Earth's largest oceans. Which blood vessels are smallest and connect arteries with veins together? Option B, capillaries. Capillaries are the body's smallest blood vessels connecting arteries and veins. They allow oxygen and nutrients to reach cells. Which immune response helps bodies remember diseases and fight faster later? Option A, vaccination. Vaccination trains the immune system to recognize dangerous diseases quickly. It helps bodies fight infections faster in the future. Which Australian city serves as the official capital of Australia today? Option B, Canberra. Canberra is the official capital city of Australia chosen by government leaders. It is different from larger famous cities there. Which organ receives oxygen first after air enters human respiratory system? Option A, lungs. The lungs receive oxygen first after air enters the respiratory system. They help exchange gases needed for body survival daily. Which military branch mainly protects countries using powerful ships and submarines? Option B, Navy. The Navy protects countries using powerful ships, submarines, and sea operations. It keeps oceans and coastlines safe from dangers. Which armed force branch uses aircraft for defense and rescue operations? Option C, Air Force. The Air Force uses airplanes and helicopters for national defense missions. They also help during rescue and emergency operations. Quiz over. Let me know in comment how many quiz you got right. If you like our video, smash the like button and subscribe our channel.